pogi namin kaibigan. Available siya. Hit him up.
Mga nasa third.
We have so many seeds to sow. When the harvest comes in, it will be time to share what we have grown. We were having the time of our lives when we started. Everything was groovy, but I'm noticing lately we've been half-hearted. West Side Story don't feel pretty anymore. Well, we spent the bulk of our days feeling free, like we were properly stoned. Till you liked everything but the likes of me. I can't help but recall we were having the time of our lives when we started. Everything was groovy, but I'm noticing lately we've been half-hearted.
Try ko lang i-ano.
Sige.
Airdrop.
Ay, pwede mong airdrop?
Oo. I-ano ko sa phone ko.
Hindi mo masasabi ang global warming te.
Hello. Bilis nila. Ito na kami sa Keptupec. Punta kami sa beach kasi
Hi, guys!
yung friend kong Hope
That's me.
maghahanap ng shrimp. Ganda oh. Manonood ako ng sunset.
Cause you got something that my heart just can't ignore, that I've never felt before. And if you go, I wanna go there with you.
Paano mo nalaman, te?
Pag malapat yung request. Bakla yan. Puro babae talaga dito?
Oo.
Tayo. Ay, no. Ano? Parang hindi pa. Pwede ba itong pangit? Okay na ako yan dyan.
Oo, she got another one. It's her third one. Good job!
Bilis eh.
Kaya mo yung girl.
I'm sorry. Dali na.
Good job, girl! Eh, yung ulam mo for the night.
Support niya. Ay, taba niya, Gagi. Ay, baba. Ate.
Ay,
Babae. Ang
baka-
taba niya. Buntis. Ate, ito dito. So, alakin ka muna namin.
Nagtatay po. Yun yung itlog na sinasabi.
Uy, dandan. Ganun pala. Oo.
Wow! Good job, Marge. Pang ilan mo na yan, Marge? Pang 20?
Wala. May 20 na ba yan?
Dami nilang huli, oh. Ha? Kota na. Bawi-bawi na.
Now we're just gonna run the other car.
Well, let's be safe, okay?
Yes, sir.
Oh no, I think we're good because I know we're not.
We're the
over
adults.
18. We're good, right? We're over 18.
No, we can't. We cannot do that.
Oh, we can't.
Ah,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. Sorry about that. Thank you so much, man.
Ako parang hindi ko na kaibo. Ay!
Ay, sorry, te.
Pakahawak ka, Jason.
At least naka-camera na.
Let's just walk.
Inantay lang tayo.
umalis ng parking.
Nakita tayo, oo, nakita.
Oh, maingay kasi
Nakita tayo, nagkakagulo tayo.
Or maglakad na lang.
Oo, maglakad na lang tayo.
Maglakad na lang. Hindi, meron dun tayo. Meron dun tayo.
Tama na yung pagkawo.
Tayo, meron dun kila ate.
Kasya pa ba? Maglakad na lang tayo.
Maglalakad na lang natin.
Te, iwan mo na yung bag mo. Iwan mo na yung bag mo para ano.
Ay, kasi bumaba tayo eh.
Kapag doon na after.
Hindi pa naman tayo nakalabas sa parking.
After ng park. Sabi niya, puti daw. Inano sa...
Huli, pero di kulong.
Ano ko lang. Kapag daw lumabas na, doon daw titikita.
Oh,
Oo.
buti na lang. Buti na lang.
Ano siya eh.
Hindi ito sa video nyo.
Bye! Oh, gising ka naman! Gising na
Gising na si Marge. Oh my God.
Open my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away. Push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a date.
Risha, can you throw this away from me, please? Hindi.
Iiyak ka.
Para hindi mabago lang yung ano.
Uy, at ibig sabihin, ako
Usok ka ng April.
Wala, nandito ka na. Jump.
Oh, yung tumayo. Kay J1 na ito. Hindi ako. Tapos bibigyan mo si ano. Ano lang yan eh. $1 sa pair.
Ikaw!
May iba pa ba? O, nakikita naman.
Isa lang pag...
Ay, all in yan.
Ako ah.
Ano yung magkano daw? Piso. Side bet yan? Ano ba yan? Ang daming langaw din, hindi pa nila na
Magkano yan?
Ano to, side bed?
Bako ng utot, may melon.
Wow, Stig. Nasaan na nga yung melon? Wala ba dito?
Ay, baka ikaw, swerte ka dyan, te.
Baka, sana nga.
Gagayain ko nga si ate.
$10. Wala pa rin.
Pinaganda.
Wala.
Ay, wala ko.
Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and a shooting star so vibrant. You have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven.
No more water.
Tikman nyo yung enchilada, masarap.
Saan na yung sausawan na? Nasaan na yung ano?
Hanap mo, be?
Gusto mong fish, no?
Yeah,
Maya,
fish.
maya.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Remember when we were getting nowhere fast? When the garden won't stop giving back.
Wala na. Baka pa. Ay,
Fresh
parang
cut grass.
Sabon naka-time na.
I could really use some stuff like that.
Thank you.
Yes! Salamat! Assalamualaikum! Aww! Bye!
Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love.
We're here sa round 1. Ha? Isa lang? Girl, you got scam. Bilyaran kami. No tagging? Hindi.
Say it twice, then I got nothing to say. It's going down like a rodeo. It's going down like I told you so. It's going down like a rodeo. It's going down like I told you so. I hope you're all here for the ride. Come inside, cause it's going down tonight. Only here for one night, no lies. Come and saddle up a ride. Come and kiss me up, it's going down like a train with no.
Muntik ka na po.
It's going down like a rodeo. It's going down like I told you so. I hope you're all here for the ride. Come inside, cause it's going down tonight. Only here for one night, no lies. Come and saddle up a ride. Need a yeehaw, you know how ye. Here for one night and we just wanna party. In a fast car, a Ferrari. It's a push start, I don't need a car key. Slide on Broadway, and it's gnarly. On a late night, but I'm not tardy. Right on time for the party.
Yung alin. Ito siya smart features. Ayun na, tapos na kumain.
2,000 years later.
Ito ba, di familiar kayo talaga? Pumunta ba kayo dati sa bahay nila?
Baby pa siya, di ba? Sila na. Tama tayo ba? Kasi wala tayong way.
Natik na ako mahulog, di ba na video?
Yeah. Good job. Good job.
Hi guys! First time kong mag-ice skating. Saya. Malamig. Anyways, thank you sa friend namin si RJ for lending me socks, the skate, and the jacket. Because all I had was pants. Unprepared, you know, unexpected.
That's right. The monster right here.
Let's go. Let's go.
I suck at it, bro. Nang hirap. Grabe. My first time ice skating.
My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding, I have scars, the ones not healing. They're all there because of you. It's my fault, I messed it up and I should have treated you much better, so much better. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my...
Ang saya, ang dulas. Naka-chamba. Hindi pa tapos, may chance pa mahulog. Ito si Rhea, I'm with Rhea and RJ. Ah! I told you. Meron pa akong 8 minutes para mahulog. Muntik na ako mahulog. Muntik na ako mahulog. Happy yarn. Happy kid yarn.
Happy kid ka ba?
Ha? Happy kid ako. I know. Noon ko pa gusto mag-ice skating. Sa Pilipinas pa lang. Every time I go to Mall of Asia, there's an ice skating rink over there. But I have never tried. I know. Ang cute. Cute nung bata. Oh my gosh. Ang galing mag-ano. Pag bumibilis ako, muntik na ako nahuhulog. Almost na naman. Almost na naman. Nandaanan. Ay, yung bata ka. May muntik nang mahulog, nalasing, kagabi.
Kasama sa kami. I was like doing this stuff. I need to submit it by next.
Nag-extend ka?
Yeah.
Back. Ayaw nga, no? Yeah, I
Yung sa
remember.
interview, yung apartment
Ben,
na.
yeah,
sabi mo
Ben.
Cause lately I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Now they're round on my mind. Hate me
I never built a wall to shut it all out, but now it's even made of concrete. This particle life, this particle life. What a time to be alive.
Ayan, pumunta lang sa Giant para umihi.